There are 12 basic grammar tenses in English, divided into 3 categories of present, past, and future. Each tense has its own meaning related to time and action. Take a common verb like to drink and memorize it in each of these 12 main tenses. Then it will be easier for you to use these tenses with other verbs also. Present simple, I drink. Present continuous, I am drinking. Present perfect, I have drunk. Present perfect continuous, I have been drinking. Past simple, I drank. Past continuous, I was drinking. Past perfect, I had drunk. Past perfect continuous, I had been drinking. Future simple, I will drink. Future continuous, I will be drinking. Future perfect, I will have drunk. And future perfect continuous, I will have been drinking.